and welcome back, and more specifically, welcome to the first of a 10-part series of fun with effects and drums. And for first-time visitors here, I'm Phil, and I fly the DJI Spark, and I take pictures and videos of the world we live in. And I'm Stephen, and I do all the other stuff. That's right, Stephen is my new assistant, and he takes care of all the editing needs. That's right, I do all the colouring in because I've been to the university and I've got the diploma in colouring in. A diploma. Now, I'll do that next time. This time I just did the diploma. Now, I do all the colouring in, and I'll make stuff, and I'll fix stuff, and I do all the buying. So I went out this morning and I bought this nice little Canon M50 because I like it. What did you buy that for? Because you said we had a little budget. Now, I thought I'd go out and spend that little budget on the Canon M50 because I like it, and because, you know, when I go on the holidays, I like to take a couple of snaps. That little budget was for food and living costs. I know, we need a budget for food as well, because I can't eat that rubbish that you cook. What's wrong with the food now? Well, you take that lunch you cooked today. Now that was not so good. That was a beef curry, Stephen, and I know you love beef. I know I like beef, but next time... But you don't like the... What was that about?
Told you.
I thought you were talking about the curry.
No, I was trying to tell you. Next time, not so spicy, because I've got a delicate tummy, and now I think I've got an upset stomach. You know what I'm talking about?
Just play the video. Have you done the colour grading?
No, I don't do grading. I'm not a teacher. You're the teacher. I just do the colouring in. I don't do grading. I don't know how to do grading. What do you want? 8 out of 10? 9 out of 10? I don't know how to do that. So I'm just going to do the colouring in.
Just play the video.
I will. And I found a nice video of yours of one day when you went to the beach. And I like the beach. So I did a little bit of colouring in on that video. And I put a load of birds in for you geezers out there.
I told you no birds.
Well, there's just 1 or 2 birds. There's not too
No
many.
birds.
Well, I like birds.
Lose the birds.
Okay, so I want to play this nice little video here of him having a day out at the beach with his drone thingy, and unfortunately, we're not allowed to do birds because I've got to take all the birds out. Alright, so you just enjoy this little video, and we'll be right back. And when we come back, I'm going to tell you a very important message, so you make sure you come right back. Alright, you just enjoy the video. We'll be back in a minute.
Now, have you turned off the microphone, Stephen? Yes, I have. I didn't forget. Now, what is this important thing that you need to tell everybody? Well, you'll have to wait like all the other geezers, because it's very, very important what I have to say. Because, you know, Stephen, what is that? That, my son, is a fine example of an eagle. Stephen, I said no birds. Eagles don't fly around the beach in Quang Ngai. Well, they should be allowed to fly around the beach in Quang Ngai. If they ask me, they should be allowed to fly anywhere. Oh, Stephen,
Lose the birds. It's just a few. Lose them. Alright, no more birds. Alright, now you're happy? I do love a beach, you know. I like to sit on the beach and have a few beers. You know what I'm talking about? I like sitting on the beach, watching all the girlies. You know what I'm talking about? You feel that? Just watch the videos. Oh, for goodness sake. That's what I'm talking about. You know, I told you not so spicy, and if you make it too spicy, that's what's going to happen. Are you feeling that? I'm really feeling that, that's for sure. Oh my goodness. Stephen, you just quit it. Now, are there no more birds? No, I turned off all the birds. Jeez. Just ruining a good video. Just relax, watch the video. Stephen, I forgot about that one.
Welcome back, and we hope you enjoyed that little video. That's right, welcome back. Now, you geezers out there, I have a very important message for you and for you, because I've decided that I should be the head of customer liaisons.
I don't think that's a good idea.
I do, because I've been to the university. I don't know why they call it a city, because it does not look like a city to me. It looks like a building with a load of classrooms. But if they want to call it a city, that's up to them. That's not my business. But I went to the university and I got the diploma. So now I know about people. I know about you geezers out there. And I know about this YouTube. I know about that one too, but for now we will just concentrate on this TubeU. Now, here's what I want you geezers out there to do. First off, you see that little red subscribe thing down there? Yeah, that little red button with subscribe written on it. I want you to click on that button. And there's a little ding-a-ling belly thing next to it. I want you to click on that ding-a-ling too. Why? Because if you don't do that now, then I will get a bit upset. Now, when I get a bit upset, then I can get very cross.
Be nice, Stephen.
This is being nice. Now, you don't want me to get upset, because if I get upset, then what's going to happen is I'm coming round. Oh yeah, I'll go through. I know about this googly map thing. I'll be coming round. And when I come round, I'm going to be coming round in the middle of the night, and I'm bringing my ferret, and I'll put my ferret right up your nitro. And you won't like that very much, and my ferret won't like that much either. So everybody's going to be a bit upset, because I won't like it either, because I'm waking up in the middle of the night and I'm coming round with my ferret, and so we're all going to be upset. So nobody needs to get upset. All you got to do is click that red subscribe thingy and click that bell. And if I was you, I would do that now, because I'm going to make some notes in a minute of nobody's not doing it, and I'll be coming round. Now, is that clear? So, I just want you to click that subscribe button and that little bell.
I hope some of you will come back next time.
That's right. We'll see you next time. So, you stay safe in your bed at night. Well, I think that went very well, don't you?
I need a lie down.
That's right. You go and have a little lie down, and I'll make you a nice cup of tea.